now, right now. No wait, no break.
5.5 lick out your eyeball. Me no in a long talk when me drive past. Pull up, boom, boom, blood palm and glass. Me just there, kick back, I relax, watch 2 videos and say, you know what? Let me hit that record button. Cause me need to pump out the content. The content need to pump. Pump out content. Is it? So we can't dilly-dally. Hope you not do well. Hope you not eat on the vegetables. Hope you not drink water. I mean, notice some people not drink water. I notice some people don't drink water. And that's disturbing to me. You need to go get checked out. Because probably insides has to be messed up. Not drink water. You crazy? Anyway. We'll come back again with another Jamaican TikTok compilation. Alright? I will all get straight into it. Cause when
Me no long talking.
Bring out the cow.
what?
Alright, church me there? Yeah, man. You sure? Yeah, man.
Zip on the pants, take off on the pants and nipples.
Why?
Pastor, that go on my Bible, you know.
Take out the knife on the rat chick, load up on the gun and point it to a friend.
Yes. Yeah, you did? Yes. What
Yo, fuck how that, bro.
Me reverse myself. Hold on. Me can't lift a chair, sir. Yeah, man. Alright, uno do nothing. Look more.
Say is a noun.
A noun is an action word.
in a
Oh,
literature
yes.
say a proper noun. The proper noun in other sentence is Kingston. Not true? Alright. Kingston, let me see. Since as a noun is a action word. Kingston, let me see. What does it do? Eh? What is that you're doing?
Go suck your mother. Me ready for one hour no ramp with me and see me now. Flush on the face, pussy. Big up a suck your
I'm
mama.
right next to the toilet,
Go
brother.
suck your mama. Gun them big in your mama. Go suck your mama. Me ready for run down your blood clot and gunshot you in this. And that me I tell you,
And them
pussy.
face, bro. Face, stuff.
Mommy, I can go for grandma. Oh,
Can't promise
no,
more.
I'm not going over there so today. Why? After you not do nothing. It's too far right now. I'm not driving over there. You can't drive over grandma, but you can drive daddy crazy every night. Little shit. We just say a while.
What?
This little shit come out of you. Last generation this year. Don't put your hand on me.
Oh, shit.
Bumbleclad.
Oh,
It's
no.
like a revolution.
No.
Hey, sir, I can take you right here. Excuse me, sir.
No. My mother back on my blood now long time ago. With which generation of one? My mother back on. Unless him still there. Unless him there in America here. If he's still there in Jamaica, my mother back on that blood pipe long time ago. None of that. I want you. Your bride? Come like your bride, man. Kick you out of the house quick.
For the water, me did start drinking because I was thirsty, okay?
That's fine. Get a load of this guy.
The white guy says.
What? Get a what?
Get a load.
Hold on. Get a what?
I just said get a loadie. You never heard that?
No
term?
man say get load out the next man.
My name praying a why for that.
Sir, I'm
Why?
Get the load of this guy. Yo, fire for that.
Oh my God, sir.
Listen to me.
Whoa,
Me not pay
sir.
for the water now.
Are you? Sir, are you?
Yeah, shut that
Sir,
for
I'm
me.
totally sorry,
Good.
bro.
Yo.
I'm sorry.
Yo.
Bobo have baby, you know.
So yeah, tell me that for.
So you know have brother and sister.
A pussy me want.
Money me want. I want my friend.
Where did someone get
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
Chicken
so-
from that?
So I come kind you know.
We can never ask if more piece of chicken.
Alright. One piece of my chicken.
Go suck your mama.
You know you're confused?
Oh, for blood clot, blade.
Nothing but the mad brain. Havana? Yes, Daddy. You want chicken, baby? No, ice cream. So you know go wait.
When my parents ask me if me want food, I'ma tell them no, I want something else. Then tell me, okay, then sit down there and starve.
Sit down there and starve. Y'all go starve today. Oh.
You either cook what they make, or you don't eat at all. Am I wrong?
Let it up, girl. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, they're watching Olympics. Yo, this a man, you act it out too well, innit?
Cock up, girl, cock up. In the name of Jesus. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you mean?
I have a question in behavior, you know. He act it out too well. Sometimes he very questionable. He act it out too well, bro.
Boom, clap.
When you're American.
Don't say it like that. Okay. Boom, clap. Suck your mother.
Whoa. I see incest is like this now. Let's say you go in a different language, like different country. You go to a different country and you want to learn the language. The first thing I would do, this is just me. First thing me do is ask them what not to say. Because dog, some things can pop off, bro. You can't get gunshots. That man stop out there. Man chopping in your blow, bro. All simple because you didn't know what you said or what it meant. Jesus, peace.
Yeah, the man them, Compre Adams and him big pants.
Bro,
I
man, you have to go to school in them pants.
Don't joke, bro, don't joke. You wanna look up a man?
What you mean when gone, bro?
So, we have a problem with the pants. Suspension for every man here, so.
Bob, man, tell him.
Why is parents so spitefully?
It's still there. But come in your room and put on 2 cup right there, so. Just to show you all lazy you be. I know them no move. They wonder how them reach you, so you know. But say, God could have come for him world. Make one next world. Come for you world. Again. And cut them still no move. My question is why you being spiteful? Hold on. Your police. Hold on. Are you run so now? Mommy. Why you ask me so much questions for? Don't lock me up. Don't lock me up. Me I say that school forget bright. Are you a Michael Sharp used to read news? You're just prime, sir. You know what? Amazing grace, how sweet the song that save a wretch like you. Hey, you're gonna lick you down one of them there. Try to take out the cup them before we take you out the mouth. I was once lost.
I ate that feed video today. You know how we do it, man. We don't make the videos them too long. We keep it short and sweet. We know say we don't have things to do. We don't have time to sit down and like watch like 20 long minutes of a video. So you the most you go watch is like 2 minutes tops. On attention, everybody attention span a little bit shorter now because of TikTok and whatnot. Let me know what you think. If we don't even have videos, you know what me pre. You can leave them down in the comment section or send me through me Instagram. Let me know what videos you have, bro. We pre them out. I rest my headphones and we are gonna shoot out of this place. Take care, no sir.